I'll give you. Who's going first? I'll pin her screen then.
I'll go.
I can
Will
go.
go? Okay, I'll pin the screen. I'll give you a thumbs up. Sandy, you can start.
Hi, I'm Sandhya Nambiar. I work in transformation department in Dubai. I live in Dubai, and I work mostly with projects where I have to look at improving business. So I wanted to look out for some other learnings or some other opportunities and see how I can enhance. And that is how I found HRs. And I can say that with doing this first level of course, one thing that I have felt is one is the course was very structured. So a lot of practical experience. So we did some pre-study and then we did. So it was mostly practical. So it helped me understand how to actually do things rather than just doing theory and then having imagination on how to do it. So the practical experience was good in terms of for me in terms to understand what needs to be done. Plus, it also helped me. I felt that during these 6 days of training, the 3 weeks that we had, it also helped me to think a lot around what I want to do, helped me put structure, especially the techniques of soft C and anchoring. It kind of helped. I think these are things that I will use in my day-to-day life so that I am able to use it. So that was like plus point in terms of like whether I do something with the course or not. It definitely helped me to put things in place and have a thought process in place. Uh, so this is I think this is a great course for anybody who, and for me I have no background of psychology, so for me again this was like from zero. I feel at least I know something now. I know I'm definitely not where I want to be, but what was good for me is for me being a layman, like being not knowing anything, it helped. The course was very simple, so I was able to understand everything. I mean, whatever was being said, I could comprehend and understand. It was not something like, okay, what are they talking about? It made sense. It was in a very simple term. So the course is really structured well, and I would recommend this course to anybody who wants to start from the base and have at least an understanding of the basic techniques to start with. This is a great course to do the level one to understand, and I thank the team, and especially Misbah. It was good. I mean, you have explained everything very well, and you were able to guide us to do the sessions and give good demos. So at least I mean, at point I was like, oh, I want to use that demo, like so that I can it helps me, and I'm sure it will help me. Great course. So thanks a lot, and I'm looking forward to continue the journey to the next level. And later also, so if it really things go well, I'll probably look at studying psychology also. That is what I was thinking initially. Let's see how I do reach there. At least level 2 is on my immediate goal now. So thank you for that. I can't hear you.
I was just saying thank you, Sandy. Dhwani, are we good to go?
Yes.
All right, you can start.
So my name is Dhwani, and I'm currently living in Noida and working as a child psychologist in Noida at a child therapy center. So the journey there has been very different. And since I chose psychology while I was in school, so always I had dreamt of that I would be working as a private practitioner with adults. Though I ended up being with kids, but now again I'm taking a turn to move towards adult population. And the major complaint I had from the our education system was that the psychology le to lete hain hum, but there is no practical learning. But and since I was recommended this course by Damini ma'am, and every time she used to tell me कि practical training चाहिए, so that is the best thing you can get from ICHARS and go for it. And I've been recommended like anything, and I'm glad that I obeyed her in that way and I chose ICHARS and I did that practical learning with it, with you guys. And the pre-modules and the trainings have been superb because having from being there from a psychology background जहाँ internships में भी उतना practical exposure नहीं होता है, and even if you are there doing the internship, you do not learn. मतलब conversation करना तो कभी नहीं सीखते हैं, demos नहीं मिलते हैं, ये सारी चीजें बहुत difficult रहती हैं, and that's why I never felt confident कि मैं ये कभी कर भी पाऊंगी. Even while beginning the course, I was in very much dilemma कि ये complete होगा, but आज level 1 complete करने के बाद I can say, हाँ, I will be a good practitioner. My doubts are decreasing. For me, the person who is not a very long term goal oriented person, Soxy helped me to gain access to that as well. कि सोचो, future बड़ा करो, थोड़ा imaginations लाओ, realistic रखो, but yes, bizarre सोचो, and move ahead in life with your dreams and try to accomplish them. And similarly, yes, uh, yesterday when we were having a session, just before that, I told Sandy, meditation kar lo. And after that, we took the concept कि meditation ऐसे ही नहीं बोलना होता है किसी को. And it gave me a lot of insight कि गलत कर दिया है, अभी तक किया है, कभी भी अगर किसी को बोला है, and it actually does not work, breaking the myths. And along with that, the techniques like anchoring, self hypnosis. Of course, I will be practicing more to get hands on to it. But yes, that is something that I really felt I would want to take it forward every time, every now and then, whenever I feel struggle for myself. So that is gonna be a great thing. And again, thanks a lot to Misbah ma'am and Nitin sir for bringing up something that was not there in an Indian system. I think I'm not sure about the abroad system, but yes, India में तो नहीं था ये, and this is gonna be very insightful and helpful for others as well.
All right. Thank you so much, guys. I am going to stop it here.